the Toyota Corolla Pickup arrives as one of the most exciting and unexpected evolutions in the automotive world, blending the legendary reliability of the Corolla name with the rugged practicality of a compact pickup truck. For decades, the Toyota Corolla has been known as one of the most dependable, fuel-efficient, and affordable cars in history. Now, by turning that heritage into a light-duty utility vehicle, Toyota is creating something truly special. This is not just another small truck. It is a smart, urban-friendly, and lifestyle-focused pickup designed for a new generation of drivers who want efficiency, flexibility, and everyday usability without sacrificing comfort or technology. Compared to competitors in the compact pickup category, the Toyota Corolla Pickup stands out because it carries a globally trusted name, advanced hybrid technology, and the kind of long-term durability that only Toyota can provide. From the outside, the Toyota Corolla Pickup strikes a bold balance between modern design and functional toughness. The front end is inspired by the latest Corolla and Corolla Cross, featuring a wide black grille, sleek LED headlamps, and a sculpted hood that adds a slightly aggressive touch without looking overdone. Strong character lines run along the sides, giving the body a dynamic and muscular look even when standing still. The compact bed is seamlessly integrated into the overall silhouette, creating a silhouette that feels sporty and practical at the same time. Aerodynamics have clearly been considered, with smooth curves, tapered edges, and a slightly sloping roofline that reduce drag and improve fuel efficiency. In terms of size, the Corolla Pickup is expected to be smaller than vehicles like the Toyota Hilux or Ford Ranger, making it ideal for city driving, tight parking spaces, and crowded streets while still offering a useful cargo bed for bikes, tools, camping gear, or weekend adventure equipment. The wheels further enhance its tough-on-the-road image. Depending on the trim level, buyers can expect 16-inch steel wheels on the base variants, 17-inch alloys on the mid-range models, and bold 18-inch or even 19-inch alloy wheels on top trims. The wide wheel arches and slightly raised ground clearance give it a mild off-road character without compromising ride comfort. Lighting is another highlight, with full LED technology including daytime running lights, rear LED taillights, and optional adaptive headlights on higher trims. Color options are expected to include classic and modern choices such as super white, silver metallic, midnight black, Barcelona red, electric blue, forest green, and even a unique two-tone option with a black roof for a sportier appearance. Premium elements such as roof rails, a rear sports bar, integrated bed lighting, and optional bed covers give the Toyota Corolla Pickup a refined yet adventurous personality. Inside the cabin, the Toyota Corolla Pickup focuses on comfort, quality, and advanced technology. The interior is designed to feel more like a modern sedan or SUV than a traditional work truck. Supportive seats with high-quality fabric or available leather upholstery ensure comfort on long drives. Higher trims can offer heated and ventilated front seats, power-adjustable driver seating, and contrast stitching for a premium feel. The dashboard layout is clean and driver-focused, with a floating touchscreen infotainment system taking center stage. Screen sizes may range from 8 inches on base models to a large 12.3-inch digital display on higher trims. Wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, Bluetooth connectivity, voice commands, and built-in navigation are expected to be standard or optional depending on the market. Technology goes beyond infotainment. A digital instrument cluster, head-up display, wireless charging pad, multiple USB-C ports, and ambient interior lighting elevate the experience even further. The rear seating area in double-cab versions offers surprising space for a compact pickup, making it suitable for families, friends, or co-workers. Smart storage spaces, foldable rear seats, and durable but premium materials make the cabin both practical and stylish. Material quality is impressive for the segment, featuring soft-touch surfaces, metallic accents, and durable trims that can handle daily use without feeling cheap. Under the hood, the Toyota Corolla Pickup is expected to offer multiple engine options to suit different buyers. A base 1.8-liter or 2.0-liter gasoline engine would deliver around 140 to 170 horsepower, providing a smooth and efficient driving experience for daily commuting and light hauling. A more exciting option could be a hybrid powertrain similar to the Corolla Hybrid, combining a gasoline engine with an electric motor to produce approximately 180 to 200 horsepower while delivering outstanding fuel efficiency. This hybrid version could achieve fuel economy figures exceeding 50 miles per gallon, around 21 kilometers per liter, making it one of the most efficient pickup trucks in the world. For those needing more torque and capability, a small turbocharged engine or even a hybrid AWD version could be offered in certain markets. Torque output may range from 170 lb-ft on the base model to over 250 lb-ft on performance or hybrid variants. The 0 to 100 km/h acceleration is estimated to be between 8 and 10 seconds, which is impressive for a practical pickup. Transmission options could include a smooth CVT for efficiency, a traditional 8-speed automatic for a sportier feel, and possibly a 6-speed manual for enthusiasts in select regions. Handling is expected to be more car-like than truck-like, with precise steering, stable cornering, and a comfortable suspension setup that absorbs road imperfections while still feeling responsive. Overall, the driving experience is expected to be smooth, confident, and easy, perfect for both city and highway use. The Toyota Corolla Pickup is packed with advanced smart features that place it ahead of many competitors. Connectivity includes remote vehicle access through a smartphone app, allowing drivers to lock or unlock doors, check fuel or battery status, and even start the vehicle remotely. Advanced driver assistance systems such as adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, traffic sign recognition, and automatic high beams are expected to be part of Toyota's Safety Sense package. Higher trims may include a 360-degree camera system, parking assist, and semi-autonomous driving capabilities for highway cruising. Safety is one of the strongest points of the Toyota Corolla Pickup. Multiple airbags, including front, side, curtain, and knee airbags, provide excellent protection for all occupants. The braking system is equipped with ABS, electronic brake force distribution, brake assist, and an advanced stability control system to keep the vehicle balanced in difficult driving conditions. Sensors around the vehicle help prevent collisions, while the rigid body structure is engineered to absorb impact efficiently in case of an accident. Given Toyota's strong safety record, the Corolla Pickup is expected to achieve top crash test ratings in major global safety programs such as Euro NCAP, IIHS, and NCAP. Toyota is likely to offer the Corolla Pickup in several variants and trims to suit different markets and budgets. Base versions will focus on affordability and fuel efficiency, while mid-range trims will add more comfort and technology features. Top-spec versions may include hybrid power, all-wheel drive, premium interior elements, and enhanced exterior styling. Expected pricing may start around $22,000 in the United States, €24,000 in Europe, around $85,000 to $95,000 AED in the Middle East, and an equivalent of $20,000 to $25,000 in Asian markets depending on taxes and import duties. This competitive pricing makes it an attractive alternative to larger and more expensive trucks. When compared to competitors such as the Ford Maverick, Hyundai Santa Cruz, and Nissan Frontier, the Toyota Corolla Pickup stands out due to its legendary reliability, advanced hybrid options, better fuel efficiency, and strong resale value. While some rivals focus more on power or extreme styling, the Corolla Pickup prioritizes balance, making it a smarter choice for everyday users who want the best of both worlds. The advantages of the Toyota Corolla Pickup include excellent fuel economy, strong build quality, advanced safety features, modern design, comfortable interior, and the reputation of the Corolla name. On the downside, it may not offer the same extreme towing or off-road performance as larger trucks, and some buyers may want a more aggressive appearance. However, for most drivers, the pros clearly outweigh the cons. The primary target audience for the Toyota Corolla Pickup includes young professionals, city dwellers, small business owners, outdoor enthusiasts, and drivers who want a practical yet stylish vehicle. It is perfect for people who need the function of a truck without the size and high fuel consumption of traditional pickups. With rising fuel prices and a growing focus on sustainability,